Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course for beginners. In this video we are gonna take a quick look at some options for sourcing and formatting your data. So we have got now our example table here in the stock list, and we want to sort by which one have the highest sales value in the last quarter. So go to options here. You need a selector table. Go to data and click in this short column. And we want to sort by sales value. So sales values. Obviously you can also sort by sale color, the font type, and we want to go to the largest to smallest. And as you can see, that then sorted our table from the highest sales value down to the lowest. Another option that you have in the source button here is to sort by multiple levels. So for example, say you want to sort by your item type and then your inventory ID. So we select item type, sale values. We don't want Z to E, we want A to Z. And then we want to add level where our second level we want to do it by inventory ID. And again, sale values, A to Z set, you click OK. We'll now see with our book first. In a sandy inventory number, and that's just another way of sorting data. Another good way of sorting data is to add a filter to our header column. So we select our header row, click in this button in the data tab filter. You will now see that we filtered all our columns. And what we can do is select this little drop down at the top and it will give us a variety of sorting options. So say we want to look at which ones has the lowest units between the price. You would select our little arrow next to unit price that's smallest to the largest. Equally, if we want to go back and do what we did earlier on, we'll be sorted by highest sales value. We select the largest to the smallest. Another benefit of this is that we might want to look, say, our top 10 or all there is similar things. If we select this drop down arrow and go to number of filter, you can search by arrange different options. You can search by something that is greater than a particular sum. So say we want to look at cells that are greater than 5,000. So greater than 5,000 or say greater than or equally to. Click OK. It will just filter it by those that have built up that value that is above that amount. If you want to bring back the full table, up here in your data tab is a clear button, or if we click again where the little filter is, you can clear the filter just from that value. Equally, it has some presets. So for example, this is all if you look at the top 10 items. Might only want to look at the top 5 items. And now when we are ready, you will check OK. You can then also sort from the largest to the smallest. And we can also say, okay, these are our top 10 sales items, but we only want those are £50 or less. We can select them individually. So to do that, we uncheck the select all button and just highlight the values we want. And there we go with the filter now by two separate columns. Equally, we can just clear a filter from one or simply hit this button up here in your data tab. It will clear from the entire sheet. I hope you find this video useful. Please do let me know if you have any question. And I see you next video.